looking at a rectangular pyramid, not a square pyramid. It's a right rectangular pyramid, which means that you can see how we have the base of 6 meters by 2 meters. But it's right, which means the vertex is above the center of the rectangle. Okay? So when we do this, what we have is we actually have two different slant heights. We have a slant height for this side. We have a slant height for this side. So instead of having a formula, what we have to do is kind of what we did with some stuff with prisms. We just basically need to find the area of each one of these sides, and that's how we would do it. Okay? So we have, if we're talking about the lateral area, we have two sides that have a triangle that's 8 by 8, 8.8 by 6. So I'd have 1/2 times 8.8 times 6. Okay? Now 8.8 times 6 divided by 2 is 26.4. But I've got two of these. All right? I've also got the side that's 1/2 times 9 times 2. And I've got two of those as well. Okay? So if I work this out, this would be 2 times 26.4 plus 2 times 9. This is 26.4, and this comes out to 9. Okay? So if I answer that, if I put that together, I end up with a lateral area of 70.8 meters squared. Okay? So that's how I would do this. I would just find each triangle face and use that to determine the total lateral area. If I wanted to then find the total surface area, I would need to add the lateral area plus the base. Well, I know my lateral area is 70.8. My base is 6 times 2. So what I do is I just add, well, that becomes 12 more, which is 82.8.